Hello there, here's Zombieman. I want to show you our residence here in Benidorm, Spain. This is now February 21, I think, and here we see great palm trees. So, this place is called Amboto Apartments, and this is our rental car. Just 1,000 kilometers in the meter. Nice. And here it is, apartment 9B. So we are here in the hallway, and let's close the door. By the way, door is quite nice. It has this peephole. You can look through if there is somebody there. Nobody, it's just darkness. There's fire extinguisher here, extintor in Spanish. These essential oils to get some mood to the atmosphere. And the mirror, of course. And the hallway is quite small but functional. This Comunidad Valenciana, some kind of a code number for this. Here we see the scenery of our hotel. It's blocked by this big building in front of us, but otherwise quite nice. It's okay, it's good. And there is a sliding windows, top and bottom sliding windows. You can open these and or not. And it's like balcony almost when you have opened the sliding windows. But now, of course, in the February, it's not so warm. It's a couple of days were 21 degrees, but now it's something like 17, 16, something like that. It's not too hot now. We don't have pool. The neighbors have pool, which could be nice, but not in this weather. I think there's not many tourists around at this moment because it's very silent and very calm. I heard that when the season is at its peak, I don't know exactly when it is, but when the weather is warm, there is a lot of drunk tourists here causing all kinds of problems. Yes, I will show you the other window also. This is the scenery from the other window, bedroom window, and quite okay scenery. There's some work site, something construction things going on in there. Otherwise quite nice. It's tall buildings, and they even are making more buildings out there in the distance, and that's one of the landmarks of this Benidorm, that interesting building. Yeah, quite nice. This is Ballet brand oven, which is very clean and nice. No compliments, no complaining there. And this is microwave Ballet also. Very nice, very nice. Very good space there. We have a refrigerator. We already have used this apartment, so refrigerator has some stuff there, wine and watermelon, etc. And freezer, very nice. What is there? There is I think this is like this kind of a first aid kit here, first aid kit. Very cool, very good to have that. And this is what the room looks like. It's quite nice, all and all. The color scheme here is the same as in the vases. These flower vases are turquoise, and even the lamp is turquoise. The curtains are turquoise. Only thing that sofa is green, that blanket. They didn't follow up the whole this color scheme. Turquoise chairs and paintings. Those paintings must be done by some interior designer who planned this whole apartment, I guess. Bienvenidos. Welcome. Amboto Sun Beach apartment. So this is Amboto Sun Beach apartment. 5-5. Yes. Very good, very good. And this is nice, interesting detail. They made this kind of a cabinet for the small dishes and plates and drinking glasses, whatever. They made this look like old. I think they used tape on the fresh paint, and then they ripped it off, so it leaves these marks. So it looks like it's old, but it's not old. Only thing wrong with this is that it's too much uniform. It's so everything is spaced out like exactly the same in the same places. So if they would break it a little bit down, that decoration style, it would work better. But nice idea anyway. these are not real plants, I presume. Yeah, of course they are plastic. Orchids are very difficult to grow. And this is just a branch, some decoration. Abstract Jackson Pollock art original, of course. And TV. What kind of a Spanish TV we have here? Let's see. Huh? Oh no, okay. Just slow. And this is very good addition to the apartment. This air pump or air conditioning actually. It's something that makes this apartment either cool or warm. Now when it's February, it's actually quite cold, or not cold, but a little bit chilly in the mornings and in the evenings. So it's good to have a little bit heating, and it heats apartment quite well. Only thing is that it seems to condensate a lot of water which drips to the street, and it's a little bit inconvenient. Downstairs neighbors, they complained that there is dripping water on their AC unit, because the AC unit is downstairs on the same level as, or same line as our AC unit. Well, anyway, it's just one thing. Yes, and let's see the other rooms. This is a bathroom. Well, it's just a normal bathroom. There is a water heater there and a mirror there. Some products, of course, shower gel and shampoo and some other things here left from behind other people. This is the shower, and they have even this rain shower and normal shower, which is nice. This small window was quite surprising. It's like opens up into the dark, some corridor, some empty place, strange. It's like some, I don't know what it is. It's not outside, it's just between the buildings. And this is bedroom. Quite nice art in the walls, hanging these metal reflecting lamps, and it was nice. We've been here 6 nights, and lot of room for anything, and pillows, long and small pillows, and some stuff. Lots of space. And TV, of course, and that air heating device, air conditioning device. Well, that's it for now. Bye bye.